another video. It's night outside in Tennessee. Yay! Last night we got so much snow. That's the morning, but it's going away, so I'm gonna play in it. Yeah, no, since my sister's on a lake, I'll throw a snowball at the roof. Why? Because I'm playing snowball. I'm having a snowball fight with the roof. And also, try to get you to the other snowball on the roof. Satisfying. 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 It looks like sand, but with snow. I'm gonna stop the video when it hits 2 minutes, but I'm about to go to my granny's house. And by the way, this is like 8 in the morning. That's why my sister went up. I've been up a long time. Look how much snow's on this. Oh, that's what it was used to be on here. This one doesn't want to come off. Ah! Yeah, it's got me. Look how much is on this. If you didn't know, this is a lot for Tennessee, for people who didn't live in Tennessee. That's my hand right now. Oh wait, I did this video a little longer than I wanted to, but bye guys. This was my went today at Tennessee.